Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel People and Geography. In this video, I am going to make you understand few important concepts related to the chapter the world population distribution, density and growth. So this chapter I have taken from Human Geography class 12 from the book of NCERTI. Before starting to our point of discussion, I would like to request you to keep one pencil, pen or paper with you so that the important facts, information you can write it down. Without wasting time, go ahead. First, the first concept it is population growth or growth of population. See, we are very much confused about population growth. What is growth rate? What is natural growth rate? What is actual growth rate? So these concepts are very much confusing and somehow we are unable to recall all the facts and formula. But today in this video, I am going to make you understand each concept very easily. First, population growth or growth of population. What it is written? Change of population between 2 points of time. 2 points of time means 2 years. So here I have taken 2 years 2001 and 2011. This is the population of our country India. So in 2001 the population was 102.70 crore and in 2011 the population was about 121.02 crore. So how we can calculate the population growth or growth of population? Just you have to subtract 121.02 minus 102.70. So the answer is 18.15. Okay, so this is all about the population growth. Next, growth rate of population. See, what is the difference between the first one and second one? First one it is written just population growth and the second part it is written growth rate of population. So the term rate is very important. Whenever you are going to learn the important concepts of population or related to population chapter, so rate term is very important. What does it mean? The change of population expressed in percentage. So rate always means percentage. What is the formula? Here I have written one formula for calculating annual growth rate. The formula is P2 minus P1 divided by P1 into 100. P2 means present year population, P1 means past year population. So you can calculate by taking any example. You can calculate from the previous example also and tell me the answer in the comment section. I think this concept is clear between population growth and growth rate of population. Population growth is just the subtraction and population growth rate, that means you have to calculate the percentage. Next, see again natural growth of population. Here which one is missing? That is the term rate. That means no need to, that means calculate the percentage. Rate, this term is missing. That means birth minus date. So if someone will ask you, tell me the natural growth of population formula. So what will be your answer? Just difference between birth and date. Okay. Next, natural annual growth rate. This is natural growth of population. This is natural annual growth rate. So here the difference is rate. For understanding what I already told you, that rate means you have to calculate the percentage. Whereas if there is no use of the term rate, just the difference between two population, 2 point of time in a particular country. Here it is written natural annual growth rate. What is the formula? Birth minus death divided by mid-year population of that particular country into 100. Next, actual growth of population. So what is the definition difference between natural growth of population and actual growth of population? In natural growth of population, it is just birth rate and death rate. But in actual growth of population, it is birth minus death plus in migration minus out migration. That means two new terms have been used here, that is in migration and out migration. What is in migration and out migration? I'm just going to discuss in the next slide. But if it is actual growth of population, then you have to tell me what is the formula for actual growth rate of population. That means rate you have to calculate. How you will calculate? Please do this in the comment section. Next, another new term it is there, that is crude birth rate. This type of question is asked generally for 2 marks, conceptual type of question, very much important. So CBR, crude birth rate, what is the formula? B divided by P into 1000. B means live birth during that particular year. P means estimated median population. Live birth during the year. So here you have to fix the year. Suppose the year is 2001. Then live birth during the year in 2001. Estimated median population in 2001 into 1000. So here one new term you can find here, that is crude. Correct? Crude, why it is crude? Crude oil, we know na, crude oil, refined oil. So crude, generally in a simple sentence we can say, then this is not a refined form. Okay, why it is crude? Because it ignores the age structure in denominator. That means here denominator means this part, estimated mid-year population. It ignores the age structure. That means here the population belong to 0 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 30 years, 30 to 50 years, more than 50 years, above 65 years. What is the age structure? It is not actually clearly mentioned. That is why it is known as crude death rate. So I told you that I will explain what is in migration, what is out migration. Through the simple diagram that I have made, it is very easy to understand. Here, see, source and destination. Source means, suppose I am taking one example that I am a person, I live in Jamshedpur, I want to go Kolkata. Okay, so source is Jamshedpur. I'm writing over here. Suppose my source, that means where I live, that is Jamshedpur, and where I want to go, that is Kolkata. So source destination, I think you have understood. Next, immigration and emigration and immigration. Emigration means out migration and immigration means in migration. Okay, immigration means in migration. What is emigration and immigration? Emigration means you from where you are going. From there it is emigration, out migration. And immigration means where you are entering, that is immigration. In means incoming, that means you are coming, you are going to somewhere else. For that particular reason, for that particular area, it is immigration. But from where you are going, it is emigration. So for Kolkata it is immigration, and for Jamshedpur it is emigration. From Jamshedpur means you are going from Jamshedpur, so it is out migration, it is emigration, and you are going to Kolkata. So for Kolkata it is in migration or immigration. So I think you got all the points very clearly. If you have still any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. And till then, keep watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your near. Okay, thank you. We will meet you again.